students, this is a quick screencast to make sure that everybody knows how to get an A or a B or whatever grade you want to get in your online section of UNV 101. So the first thing you want to do is take a look at your grade so far. When you look at grades, you have to know what it is you're looking for, okay? This 46 means nothing. What we want is your total number of points. This is how many points you have earned so far in the course. So the course is more than halfway over, and this student, my test student, has only earned 45 out of the 100 points that are possible. So a student is meant to accumulate points as the semester goes along. You start with 0 points, you do the assignments each week that are part of the modules, and then you should have been choosing You Choose assignments as you work through the course. If you're behind though, it's okay. You can still get an A in the course, and I want to make sure that I show you how to do that. So the first thing we're going to do is go to a spreadsheet, and I'm going to put in those 45 points. All right, so whoops. So that is a 45%, okay? Put that in the wrong place. All right, so the student has 45 points so far, right? And that's a 45% because the course is out of 100 points. That's not looking good, all right? But there's still time, all right? In the online course, you have 3 more modules. Most of the modules are worth about 4 points. So by doing the assignments that are due each Sunday at midnight, you'll earn 12 more points. And that'll give you a total of 57. Not good though, right? That's still an F. We need to get up hopefully above 90 so that we're getting an A in the course. The way to do that is to do You Choose assignments. Some of you have done a lot and you have grades that are like 70 and 80 already, which is wonderful. Some of you have fallen behind on those, and so I want to make sure you know how to do those. So I'm going to go back to the course, and I'm going to go into modules. And if you remember, at the beginning of each of the modules, there's going to be You Choose assignments. Right? And I put these in there because I placed them when I thought they would be most useful to you. However, you can go back, and as long as there hasn't been a due date on the assignment, you can choose the assignment. Okay? So if you click on here, it's going to tell you exactly what to do. Right? So it gives you information. It tells you to click here to get to the course, tells you to work through the 5 lessons, make a copy of this Google Doc, complete the Google Doc, and upload it. So that's worth 4 points if you choose to do that. Right? So you can go into any of the modules, right, from 1 on and take a look at the You Choose assignments. So I'll look here. So all of these have to do, or most of these have to do with time management skills, right? So again, you can choose any one of these, right? And I'll do one more. Right about here, I'm guessing in module 7, usually, nope. There's a bunch of assignments here. Remember, sometimes you're going to click and it's going to be past due. Like there's an assignment to prove that you registered to vote. Well, it's too late to do that if you haven't done it already. So you're going to have to skip that assignment. But there's lots and lots of other assignments available to do. Okay, so let's go back to the spreadsheet and let's say you choose these assignments. Okay, you choose these assignments and complete them before the end of the semester. You're going to be up to an 84%, which is going to be a B. All right. Much better than the F, that's for sure. If you want to get to the A, you're going to need to choose about 10 more points worth of assignments, right? And get those completed and turned in by the end of the semester. If you have any questions whatsoever, please make sure that you ask your instructor.